Alright guys, so we're here at U-Haul, ready to pick up a trailer for the new project car. We'll talk about the project car in a little, so for now, let's go look at the trailer. Alright, so we just came to U-Haul. We tried to get a trailer or dually, what was it, a trailer?
Full trailer.
But they said that they didn't have any, so we're waiting for them to call us back. Said that they were gonna give us a confirmation code, or they gave us the confirmation code, right?
Confirmation code.
Yes, I guess we wait until they fucking calls back. Fuck.
Hopefully we get one by today, or else we're gonna have to get that dolly. We'll try the dolly.
I mean, even then, that shit wouldn't even be that bad. Like,
it wouldn't, but the thing is that shit doesn't have the front end. So we'll see. I mean, we'll see our options, bro.
all right. We'll let you guys know when we get that. All right, so they haven't called us back from U-Haul. We're going to Penske right now to fucking see if they have anything there. Hopefully they do.
Yeah, if they don't have a trailer, I'm gonna be so pissed because then I'm gonna have to get the dolly.
No, honestly.
And the dolly is not gonna be so good for that car, especially on the condition it is.
I mean, does it have the 2 front tires?
Yeah, I mean it's got everything, all 4 tires, but the thing is it's not in the condition to be on a dolly, bro.
Yeah.
For that long bed one.
Nah, well, if there's like any extra parts, we can just like put them inside or in the back of the truck.
Nah, but hopefully they do, bro. Or if they don't, hopefully U-Haul won't take that long to call us back.
Yeah, I mean, but they said that they were gonna call us like instantly, like right after we got out. And we've been out, what, like an hour now? Because
hour and a half.
We got there like at 11:50. It's 1.
Yeah, bro. Hopefully we do get that shit, that car or that trailer.
Yeah.
At Penske.
We'll let you guys know what happens or if we do get it or not.
Alright, so we're at Penske right now. Hopefully they get that trailer. U-Haul did call me, but they only got the dollies. So hopefully once we go in, they give us a couple options about it, and we get that trailer to go get that car.
Alright, so we ended up going with the one from Penske.
Yeah.
They called us back from fucking U-Haul too, huh?
Yeah.
We're not taking that one, we're taking the one from Penske.
We got the full car trailer. So we're ready to haul it over there. Car. So the thing I don't like is that cargo truck. I don't know why they wouldn't let us take our own truck.
That's yeah, we even brought our own truck and everything, but they said that we couldn't take it if we didn't have the fucking their own truck, huh? The Penske one. Whatever, at least we got it. We're about to go pick up the project. That's all we gotta do, bro.
Going out this bitch. This shit's clear as fuck, bro.
Like the inside? That's
got Edgar rolling up with it.
we're about to leave the truck here because, you know, we don't want to fucking, I don't know, use it.
Shit, okay.
Oh, Edgar had to pull over because the fucking chain was draining.
The chain was dragging on the highway.
There was sparks coming out, bro.
Charge me for that.
And not even the guy said though. He was like,
I mean, he is missing one, huh? It's front wheel drive. All we need to do is just strap it for the front.
yeah. Are we gonna take this off?
Yeah. We're gonna take the trailer off. Yeah, hold on. You have the lighting too, CJ? Huh? You have this on your truck, right? Yeah. Holy shit, brand new trailer too, bro.
Alright, so what we're doing now is we're disconnecting the car trailer off of the truck so that we can put this car trailer onto that truck right there. And we're gonna go pick up the car right after, so you guys are gonna see what car we're about to buy.
All right, guys, so we got the trailer knot on. We're leaving the truck off here and taking CJ's truck with the trailer. we really don't want to carry this big cargo truck. It's unnecessary, but hopefully we get there soon. And we got a pretty good trailer, brand new too. I'll see you guys.
So we got the trailer hooked up.
Yeah. Fuck, hopefully it does it.
Nah, it's stable.
Like this, you're looking at it.
Oh, look out, it's great.
Oh, there we go, we're good.
She don't want to come any closer. This whole lane is free, but she don't want to come any closer.
Alright guys, so after this long ass day of getting everything situated, we are in front of where the guy has the project car. So give us a little time of negotiation with him, and then I'll give you guys an update.
Alright, so we're about to go check out the car. Finally, after like 3 hours, we're here at the homie CJ Edgar, ready to take the car home. We're gonna check it out. Hopefully everything is good.
Well, handling it at least 500 horse.
Alright.
The head is resurfaced with seated valves, and it's got a C2 low compression head spacer on it.
Fair enough.
You see right here.
Shorty.
Yeah, I got
That
it.
spacer.
Yeah.
It's got the copper plated head gasket steel from the Mark III. And then other than that, it's all stock, dude.
You got all the harness and stuff connected to it?
Yeah, the whole harness is right here.
It's all there? So right now
And the head is just like I said, it's all stock. See, it's even got the fucking the lube and shit.
Yep.
The timing kits, OEM, Volkswagen, everything.
And it's all good too?
Yeah.
So I don't want to have to mess with it?
No. The timing is all good.
Okay. So basically what I'm looking at right now is just like the whole front end.
Everything is back there to finish it off.
Okay.
The radiator support, the lights, and all that shit.
The bumper.
The only thing I'm missing is the bumper. Yeah,
You got the hood?
No, I got
No?
no, fuck no. I know a guy that has it though.
Okay.
Christian knows that this dude fucking.
Carbon
You
fiber.
might know him too, Robert.
Robert? Oh, yeah. Curry?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He'll hook me up with a hood if I ask him.
Alright.
No,
So you got everything basically?
Yeah.
I saw stock suspension too?
Yeah. I had coils on it, but I took them off to put it on my other Mark IV.
Or your other Mark IV?
But these are just like regular fucking. On the back, on the back, it's got
Springs?
it's got H&R springs.
Okay.
And on the
So
front,
I would have to get it.
you can see it's got a fucking eBay clutch. But, it's a stage 3, which makes it, if it's like brand name, it'll make it like a stage 2. Stage 2.
Oh yeah,
It should, I mean, I don't know what kind of power you're gonna push out of it, but it's capable of fucking.
No, I'm probably
500.
gonna take it out either way, man. I'm trying to do pistons and rods too. Okay. Get it resurfaced again.
Yeah.
Pistons.
I mean, if you're gonna reuse everything, the head spacer, it's good.
It's good to
You
use.
can, you can use it 2-3 times.
No, yeah, I'm trying to build it from. Fuck, that was crazy.
That just scared the fuck out of me. Alright, so we got the fucking car mounted on the fucking trailer. Tying it down now.
Shit.
Hell yeah.
Oh, I fucked up, bro.
Why you?
You have to force it through it.
Damn, dude. That shit's already stripped, ready.
Bitch, fucking pissing me off, bro. It's got a stage 3 clutch. eBay though. Make sure the stage 2. I'll take that off.
So we're going to get the title right now?
They should be able to hold it, right?
Alright, so we're hauling the fucking car in the back. How do you feel, Edgar?
I feel great, man. I'm excited for this project.
Soon as start the build, man. We're
Gotta get that 500, 600 horsepower ready, man.
oh yeah.
See about that, and then from there, we'll add that turbo kit. We'll add all that good stuff, man.
All that goody good.
So, keep watching. You'll see the process. It's gonna be a sick project to look at. Can't wait to take it to dyno after it's done. Get all that stuff done. Man, I just can't wait. E85, my friend. E85. All right, guys. So we're taking the car back. It was a pretty good deal we got out of it. It's gonna be a nice project to start off with. We got a lot planned to it, but how I was telling Abraham CJ, my main priority is to get it running right, get it performance wise. Then we'll start going from there. But my plan for this car is absolutely to get it boosted, but we'll see in the process how everything's going, and then from there I'll make that last decision if that's what I want to go through. But after we get it running nice and good, we're gonna go in for looking for some nice wheels, take off those HKS springs, and probably put some Raceline coilovers, make it run nice and feel nice, suspension up to the engine. And so the car's practically already stripped out. Now we really just need is to build the roll cage inside of it and buy some Sparco or Recaro seats with harnesses on it, and running on E85 of course. But if anything, I do want to get it out of the track and get it dynoed either at PFI, or we'll see where we get it dynoed at. But I am looking forward to making this car a 500 to 600 horsepower project car / track car, because we probably would run it on the track at Vandermeer. So just stay tuned and just keep watching our videos, and you'll see the process of this build. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.
All right, so this is the end of the video. So you guys saw the car, you guys saw everything, the big plans.
For you guys' information, it is a 2001 VW Golf GTI VR6. So if you guys didn't know, that's what it is.
Yeah, just keep watching the videos, you know, support us. I'm about to make this shit sick as fuck.
Fuck yeah.
My nigga CJ in the back.
Boy CJ.
All right, well, we'll see you guys next time.